Alright, I'm not sure how much we'll get done today, but here's what we're trying to do. So I need to take these pieces here and get them formed in to this here. So I've already shaped this corner bracket up for the cab mount, and it fits up pretty good. But what I need to do next is I need to clean up the back side of this, and the back side of this, to make sure that when we weld it in, it's clean and good. Come on, there you go. Alright. So, I've got to clean up this area here, and across here, and then up to here. So I hit it with the brush and a wire grinder. Everything's pretty solid on the back side of here. And the reason I took that bracket out, well, this one was the vertical one. It wasn't in bad shape. It was just kind of bent up, so I figured I'd clean that one up and take it out. The one that was horizontal here, it was pretty bad. Now the floorboard's all coming out. There's a recessed firewall over there that'll be going in, and I've already fitted that. So I fitted for the TKO. That's going over here. We end up having a new floorboard. It's here that I'll kind of patch in. This side over here is going to need the same stuff. So you can see this one's not too bad a shape. It's pretty solid metal. But I'll probably just replace it just to, so both sides have been replaced. Here you can see all the, underneath here is all pretty clean. There's a little surface rust, but whatever. I mean, for it being a 1952, there's nothing crazy about it. Actually, I think it might be a 51. I can't remember. Anyways, so yeah. So I'll do some grinding. I tacked in a brace there to keep it from moving when I rip the floor pan out. But yeah. So there's the motor mounts I've made. So it's getting a small block Ford with a TKO. Yeah, so that's it for now.